my baby, huh? Yes, I know.
All the goats here. I think the goats are hungry. Yummy. So what kind of feed is that? It looks like mixture.
20% horse feed. It's like grain and corn. A little bit of both.
And they're chowing down on it, huh?
Yeah. If you give them whole corn, like just regular corn like this, that you would give the horses, you get diarrhea.
So you just give them a little bit?
Yeah. Then this has like honey. It's sweet. Honey, be careful. That electric fence is on.
Okay. Wait, the middle one is electric?
Yeah, all these are. So be careful you don't touch it, okay?
You hear them chowing down. Chow, 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 chow. You hear the cows.
We'll
We're
feed
trying
the cows.
to stump it in.
Some
No,
horses
honey,
over there.
You can if you want, but we'll go get more corn and we'll feed the horses and cows some corn. Okay?
Nice.
See now.